Hello and welcome to Kanen Espresso machine. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. And today I'm not only going to test the machine, but I'm also going to show you how to program one of the buttons. So what you do is you press and you hold until the light starts flashing. Then you let go, and then when you get the amount of coffee that you want in the cup, you press the button again, and it's programmed. So let's go ahead and get about 2 ounces in the cup, because that's the standard shot size of an espresso. There we go. And now it's programmed. And let's test the steam also. You get good steam with the DeLonghi. And so thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.